Experiencing a no-signal error on your Rogers TV box can be frustrating. This issue commonly stems from connectivity problems, hardware glitches, or account-related issues. First, ensure all cable connections are secure, both at the box and the wall. Unplug the coaxial cable and HDMI cable, then firmly reinsert them. A loose connection is often the culprit. Next, check for any visible damage to the cables themselves. If you notice fraying or kinks, consider replacing them. If connections are secure, move on to rebooting your Rogers TV box. Rebooting the Rogers TV box is a crucial step. Unplug the power cord from the back of the box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This process resets the box's internal systems and clears temporary memory issues. While the box restarts, use the My Rogers app or website to verify your account status. Ensure your billing is up to date and your service is active. An inactive account due to unpaid bills can trigger signal blocks. Also, check for any service plan renewals, as disruptions in your internet plan can also affect your TV service. If problems persist, contact Rogers support via their app, website, or AI chatbot.